In this video, I'll show you how to translate your Shopify store. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, go to Settings and click Languages. Next, click Add Language and choose the language you want to add to your store. Save your selection to continue. After that, install Shopify's Translate and Adapt app if you haven't already. Open the app and select the language you want to translate. Now begin translating your store content, including product titles, descriptions, collections, pages, navigation menus, and other text. You can enter translations manually or use the app's available translation features. Next, review your translations and make any necessary changes to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, publish the new language and visit your storefront to confirm that customers can switch between the available languages. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to translate your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.